After Oboo Mangrove Garden, also here in Santa Fe, Bantayan is our next stop, which is the ruins of Bantayan Island. The ruins is a house, but only the support structure are left, as it is said to be destroyed by Yolanda or Haiyan typhoon back in November 2013. The ruin is one of the location of Camp Sawi movie, and this particular spot is where Bella's character in the movie jumped off the cliff. It is a 20-feet cliff that you can jump off, but if it's not your cup of tea, there is a staircase down to the water, just few steps from the cliff. Thanks for coming along. There are a few more stops like this one and this, as well as this one. So hope to see you on the next one.